Hi, this is Marcus Fox again. I have a new idea about a mask to prevent the coronavirus, and it's for all you coffee drinkers out there. Love coffee. These coffee filters can be turned into masks. So, during my video, I would like everyone to read some ideas about how to stay safe during the coronavirus. So, if anytime I'm cutting or anything, you have time, read some advice. So, my idea when I was drinking coffee, I was like, these look just like masks, and they fit just like masks. Now, how can we make them more secure to block viruses from penetrating the mask? So, all you need, let me show you a list, is coffee filters, scissors. I like precision scissors. You also can use regular standard scissors, twine, and that's it. And if you want to make yours fancy, you can get a sewing kit and put a design on the outside of it. But in this video, I'm just gonna get straight to the point. So here's how I'm gonna make a mask similar to this one. This one you buy at Home Depot. I believe this one is a dust mask, but it also will prevent from certain viruses getting through. Coronavirus is 1 micron, so we gotta really try to get it so that it can't penetrate the mask. So my idea for a regular mask, it goes on like this. To protect it, put get some of this and put it on like this. So every time you come in contact with anyone, you replace it. Put another one on. Protects you. See? So that was one of my ideas. My other idea is to make a mask out of coffee filters, napkins, you put the napkin inside the coffee filter. I think this probably would be the best way to do it. So it fills the whole coffee filter up. Like that. You can do this in a few different layers. So I'm going to do it in 3 layers, but you can also do it in 4, depending on the severity of contact you are going to be with people. Now push together. Now, that's layers. The next step would be, don't go through all the different layers. Go through the first layer. I would just poke a hole. Twist it around so that way it doesn't rip too easy. Just like that. Now get some twine and measure it to the mask. Maybe to your nose. It should be just like that. Now, my personal favorite kind of knot would be like this so that it fits around there. Let me show you. Like this. Pretty secure. Okay. Then tie this end just like that, so it fits right around your ear. Tie it. Alright, and if it's a little loose, you might want to tie it a little bit more. So let's go around here, tie it like this. Let me put just a knot in it. Or, yeah, just like that. Put a knot like that. So I looped it, I put it around, tightened it up, tested it. So, you get another piece of twine, you do the exact same thing. To your ear, measure it to your nose, just to make sure you have extra. Pull it out, cut, snip. And on this side, let me get a little closer so you can see a little better. This side you do the same thing. You put the two strings through the hole. You grab this end, you loop it around. Just like that. Since the other side I noticed that I made it a little long, so let's just tie it a little bit closer. Let's try to prevent from having to re-tie it. Now let's see how this mask fits. Triple layer mask. So I'm going to tie it a little bit tighter on this one end, just so that it could be super tight around my face. You want it to be real tight on my face. Perfect. At home mask. You could triple layer it, quadruple layer it, as far as you know, just test it, make sure you can breathe, and prevent you from getting the coronavirus. And on top of that, grab a filter and you're around someone too close and you're scared there might have been something in the air, replace it. Throw that one away. Discontaminate your hands. Wash your hands. And what can people do to protect themselves and others from the new coronavirus? Remember to wash your hands. Maintain social media distancing. It's time for social media. Everyone to come together on social media, but not in the real world. Social distance yourself in public, but you don't have to social distance yourself on social media. It's time for us as one to come together. Don't let the Democratic, Republican Party, or anybody tell you to follow all the stigmas, because this is real, and everyone should protect themselves. There's never too much protection. And it's time for everyone to become a social media, meaning body, one in mind, and all work together as a human race. Avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. I mean, don't touch your mask with your gloves. If you have your mask on, just don't touch your mask, because if you touch something that's contaminated, you can put on your mask. Protect respiratory hygiene. That's exactly what I meant by that. If say you have to cough and you don't have a mask, cough in your shirt. Protect people around you. Maybe try to run out of the room or get by yourself to where you know that you can't infect someone else. If maybe you don't know you have it and you just feel like you have to cough, or maybe allergies, but it could be possibly the coronavirus. So you want to be protective of other people around you and people that you have to come in contact with. Um, if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. I mean, right after you start coughing, you have a fever, go straight to the emergency because, and find out, maybe look up and see how many people are in that hospital because you don't want to overwhelm hospitals. So if it's going to take an extra 30-minute drive to a hospital that isn't overwhelmed, it's going to be worth it in the long run for people that are already at the hospital and that need to seek medical attention for coronavirus because the biggest fear is hospitals getting overwhelmed. Stay informed and follow advice given from your healthcare providers. Ask them questions. Don't be scared to ask them questions because the more questions you ask, the more knowledge, and then knowledge is power. And to stay safe right now, we all need power and to become one on social media and and social distance ourselves in real reality. But it'll come together. Everyone will make it. We'll get through this. Just protect yourself and your family. Thank you.